Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the capture gallery immediately. This is where all clips live. Press the PS button to pause and navigate to your profile's captures or media gallery, then choose the game folder that holds the clip. Once inside the folder, highlight the clip you want to remove. Don't press X yet. This location step matters because Ps5 organizes by game and date. Selecting the correct folder ensures you won't delete the wrong footage. Now, select the clip and press Options to open the Action menu. This reveals delete and other file actions. Choose Delete and confirm with X to permanently remove that clip. The system asks to prevent accidental loss. If you have multiple clips, use the Multi-Select checkbox inside the menu to pick several, then delete them in one action. Doing this saves storage and speeds cleanup because Ps5 won't ask per file when you confirmed a batch operation. Finish by checking saved broadcasts and the capture gallery route to ensure nothing remains. Streamed clips can be saved separately. After deleting, the storage frees immediately, but make sure to confirm each delete prompt so files aren't retained. If clips still show up, restart the console and rescan the gallery. This forces the database to refresh. If problems persist, rebuild the Ps5 database in safe mode to correct indexing. That resolves most display versus storage mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.